If you're a solopreneur who's wondering why you haven't moved forward with your small business startup, I think I know the reason. By the way, this is the Savvy Entrepreneur Journey, where I help solopreneurs like you and myself gain more impact, income, and freedom. So one of the reasons I see entrepreneurs who are starting a small business, a side hustle, or going all in struggle is because they start suffering from analysis paralysis. Basically, it's decision fatigue. You get so caught up with all the tasks, all the things that you have to do to run a business, that eventually you just shut down. And I get that. I've been there myself. The thing I learned is that you have to overcome this anxiety or this shutdown when it comes to making decisions for your business. Sometimes people worry so much about making the right choices for the business that they actually don't take any action at all. That's the worst thing you can do, because part of the learning curve of running a business, growing one, is taking action, making mistakes, learning from them, rinse and repeat. Sure, it's important to educate yourself, watch videos, tutorials, take courses, and so on, but none of that matters if you don't start taking action in your business. And part of it is cutting out the fat. And by that I mean all the unnecessary stuff that you probably don't need to do at this stage of your business that you're in. And remember, everyone's at a different stage. So I got something to help you out. So I've got 2 resources. First, if you're someone that's just starting out or thinking of starting out, well, then I have the 9 essential tasks that you need to start your new business. It's a checklist. And if you're someone that's already started a couple of months in, but you're starting to hit a wall, then I've got 7 steps, a strategy to jumpstart growing your business. Go check those out. Hopefully they'll help you. Make sure you follow me here at the Savvy Entrepreneur Journey for more business motivation and tips.